you exactly how powerful it is by showing you all of the different features that are included in it. But before we get started, I want to mention that if at any time you want to go ahead and get access to Video Marketing Blaster and start putting it to use for yourself, you can do so by clicking on the link in the description of this video. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this review and let me show you exactly how Video Marketing Blaster works. All right, so I'm here on the dashboard of the Video Marketing Blaster software, and as you can see, you can pull up a list of popular searches by country. So you have all of these different countries that you can choose from. And I'm in the United States and I'm trying to get United States traffic. So I would look at the one under United States if I was just looking for popular videos. So I would do this if I had like a news channel or something of that nature where I'm looking for hot searches, right? To get into the trending videos right now. However, if I'm doing more of an evergreen type of video, that's where the keyword research is going to come into play. And when I show you how fast and easy this keyword research tool actually works, you're going to be blown away. Okay, so what happens whenever you open each module is you will have a video training pop up to show you how to use that specific tool, right? So since we clicked on the keywords module, it's going to have a keywords training video pop up. And so you can watch this short video. It's about 6 minutes long. That'll show you all about the different features of this keyword tool, right? Now, if you miss that video, you accidentally exit out of it or something like that, all you have to do is go down here to the bottom left and click on View Training Video, and it'll pop it right back up, okay? Now, on the other hand, if you don't want to see these videos, if you've already seen them before, you don't want to see them again, you don't want them to pop up each time, all you have to do is uncheck this Show Tips box, okay? And then it'll stop popping videos up. So I'm going to show you how the keyword tool actually works, and we're going to go through it together. So as you know, whenever you're doing keyword research, it's best to focus on long tail keywords. And that is because it is easier to get ranked for those keywords, and you'll have a better traffic opportunity versus focusing on a very broad keyword that it gets a lot of traffic. However, it's more difficult to rank for those types of keywords than it is for a long tail keyword. And so the difficulty of ranking for a broad keyword will make you miss out on traffic opportunities, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to actually start out with a broad keyword, and then we're going to I'm going to show you how it pulls up the long tail keywords that you can focus your videos on. All right. So with that being said, let's hop into do a main keyword search. All right. So let's search for something like iPhone 8 case. All right. So let's just look for an iPhone 8 case. Let's check, find competitors for that keyword. We can get the search results. We can generate the video details. And we can also search from the search suggestions, right? So these search suggestions come from Google, they come from YouTube, they come from competitors, they come from tags, different stuff like that. So it really allows you to dig down deep and uncover keywords that you may have never thought of before. All right. So once you check all the boxes that you want to get data for, all you have to do is click on Research Keywords. Now what that's going to do is it's going to start the process of going out and gathering competitors, researching the different keywords that you'll find related to iPhone 8 case. Okay, so let's let that run through, and you can see that it's going to analyze all of this different data that we've asked it to go out and find. So now once it analyzes the competitors and things like that, it's going to actually start getting the searches for the keywords that you've asked it to find. And as you can see, it's analyzing keywords for 295 different keywords. All right, so let's let that run through, and I'll be right back with you. All right, so as you can see, it has pulled up the list of keywords that we can now go through and find some really good long tail phrases to start getting ranked for. Now, it is still analyzing some Google phrases at this point, so it's not going to be the full list of what you're going to actually end up with. Okay, now it's done. So now this is going to be the full list. And so let me go through this and show you exactly where this is coming from, what it all means, and all that good stuff, right? So what you have here is your broad keywords like iPhone 8 cases, iPhone 8 case, stuff like that. What we're actually looking for is keywords like best iPhone 8 cases drop test. Now the drop test would be something like where you would drop the phone and see how it holds up inside the case or something like that. So that would be an easy video for you to do if you own an iPhone 8 and you have a really good case that you're recommending to people, then you might want to focus on this keyword here or something like that, right? So you can go down through this list and you can find all kinds of really good keywords that the software has gone out and uncovered for you. And you can just focus on those keywords, right? So what you can do is you can put a check next to the keywords that you're interested in, and it's going to make you a list over here of checked keywords, okay? So you might check that one. You might check the best iPhone 8 cases, most durable iPhone 8 case, stuff like that, right? Okay, then over here in the next column, it's going to tell you where this keyword actually came from. So, this first keyword came from competitors and also from long tail competitors. Okay, so it probably came from a few different sources. But as you can see down through here, these keywords came from tags that other people are focused on, right? So these are actual tags that people are using in their videos. All right, so from long-term competitors, from tags, from YouTube suggestions, from tags. All right, so it's going to pull all kinds of keywords out that you can use from these different sources. All right, so now you're going to have the rank over here. So this is going to be least to best, right? So the best thing to do whenever you are targeting one of these keywords is to actually focus on like a medium level keyword to begin with. That way have a better chance of getting ranked. And as you go, you may actually find yourself getting ranked for iPhone 8 case. All right. So that's going to really be powerful for you in the long run if you just focus on some of these medium level keywords through here. And then over here, the search results, you can see how many results were returned for these different keywords. So this one right here has under 10,000, and it's the best iPhone 8 cases for 2018. So we're at the end of 2017 now, and you have a really good chance of getting ranked if you go ahead and start making videos for the best iPhone 8 cases of 2018. Now, what you can also do is you can right-click on these keywords, and that's going to bring up a number of different options. Now, these options include the ability to export your selected keywords to a CSV file or HTML in case you want to share these keywords with your clients, or you just want to keep them put away on your desktop or hard drive for further viewing, right? And then you can delete selected keywords from your list before you export them. So you can also export them up here at the top. So you can delete these selected keywords, and then you can export the ones you want to keep. You can check all, you can uncheck all, and you can get search results for the selected keywords. All right. So you can do a number of different things from this keyword list right here. All right, so the next place we are going to go once you have selected some keywords that you want to use is you're going to go over to the video details. All right, so what the video details is going to allow you to do is have your title, description, and tags all ready done for you. So what the Video Marketing Blaster software does is it goes out and it analyzes the Google algorithm, the YouTube algorithm, and it finds what Google and YouTube are looking for, and then it allows you to create the best SEO optimized title, description, and tags for your selected keyword. Okay, so let's just stay with the iPhone 8 case, and what it's going to do when I click on that keyword is it's going to bring up the iPhone 8 case title, our description, and our tags. Now, if you don't like this title and you want to select from a different one, it actually has different titles for you to choose from down here at the bottom. So you can go through here, and it's as simple as double clicking on a title that you want to use, and you can see that it's changing those titles up in the title section. Okay. Now you can also do this for selected phrases, suggested phrases rather, and you can say, I want to use this suggested phrase, this one here, and then you can do keywords. You can do other keywords down through here, right? So you have other keywords that you can focus on down through here that you can put up in your description if you choose to. All right, so once you have all of this information sorted out the way that you want it to be, all you have to do is copy these tags, this description, and the title, the description, and the tags, and put them in your YouTube video, right? So you would just paste this title where the title goes, the description, and the tags where they go over in YouTube. All right. So the next part of the software is the niche analysis. Now, these next two things, the niche analysis and the rank tracker, are going to be part of the pro version of Video Marketing Blaster. So if you want to have access to the niche analysis and the rank tracker, which I highly suggest, because you're going to be able to see just within this niche analysis, what your competitors are doing good and what they're not doing so good, which gives you a higher probability of outranking their videos as long as your video details, title, description, and tags are better than theirs, right? So it'll give you all the details of each video that is ranked in the top, looks like 20 or so. And so what it will actually allow you to do is analyze your competitors much faster than you will be able to do manually. All right, so you can see the number of views they have, the comments, likes, shares, uh, you know, subscribers they have, keywords, stuff like that. And you can see their scores so that you can easily go through and figure out which videos you want to try to outrank. Okay, so this gives you a really good idea by color coding everything that has to do with the way that YouTube and Google actually rank videos. You'll get a really, really good idea of where you need to be strong at. So in this color coding scale, red means that they're not doing so well in these areas, and you have a really good chance of outranking them if you use this software to create your videos and use the title, description, and tags that it gives you, right? Yellow means they're doing okay, but you still can outrank them. Now, green means they're doing really excellent, and it'll be harder to outrank them. So if you have any questions about the color information, you can simply pull it up right here. It'll give it all to you, what it all means and stuff like that. Then you have your default columns, and you have all columns that you can check and customize this report any which way you want to. All right. Now, the next thing that you're going to be able to use is the rank tracker. And as you can see, as I'm opening each module, a training video is popping up. So in case I'm going too fast or you're not catching something the first time, you can easily go and watch the training videos to get all the information you need. All right. So as you can see here, I've put in one of the videos that I've done. And you can see that I'm ranked number 1 for this keyword, number 2 for this keyword, number 4, and number 5 for these other keywords. But it also does this for you automatically, right? So all you have to do each time is update the videos, and it will begin going through the videos and seeing what your current rank is, what your previous rank is, what your best rank is, your Google rank, your previous Google rank. It'll give you all of that information, right? So as it analyzes this video, you can see that it has my current updated rankings, right? So you've got rank number 1, 2, 4, and 5 right now. This is the previous rankings. This is the best rankings. So it's automatically going to keep track of all that for you. Now, as I said, you have the Google rank, your best Google rank. It was when you last checked the rankings, how many comments the video has, how many views the video has, your old number of views, and any notes that you put in whenever you go to add a new video. So adding a new video is very, very simple to do. All you do is put in the link of the video, put in the keywords that you want to keep rankings on. So if you want to put in different keywords, all you would do is I would take this video URL, I can plug it right back in, add keywords that I want to check rankings on, and then simply add new items. Now I can also mass import videos. So if I have 10 or 20, 50 videos, whatever it is that I want to keep checking ranks on, then all I have to do is mass import those videos and they'll be imported all at once. And then all I have to do is go over here to update videos and it will begin analyzing those videos to see where they are currently ranked. So you can see that the power behind that is you get to save a ton of time going through on versus going through manually checking your videos. So this is definitely a very powerful, very great feature to have built into this software. So I highly recommend that you get the Pro version so that you'll have access to the niche analysis and the rank tracker. However, even if you can only swing for the standard version, you're going to get access to the dashboard, the keyword researcher, and the video details. So just those three features alone are very, very powerful and will help you tremendously to get your videos ranked in YouTube so that you can start getting that free traffic that YouTube and Google send you. So with that being said, that is all I have for this Video Marketing Blaster review. I hope that it's been helpful for you. I hope it's been useful to you, and I highly recommend it because YouTube is one of the most powerful traffic sources out there right now. In my opinion, it's even better than Facebook ads or anything else. So go ahead and click on the link in the description of this video. Get access to Video Marketing Blaster right now and start putting it to use for yourself so that you can start driving targeted traffic to your websites and start earning those big commissions or improve your business and get more business through